Hello and welcome to Weekend Investing Daily Bytes. We're shooting episode 194. Today is 14th of March. And we're going to talk about how beating the Nifty on the downside also helps you outperform. We've done a video earlier on this subject, but I wanted to show you how these hedged portfolios have been performing recently. And by the way, we have a special announcement for this Holi festival that is coming later this week. As you already know that we have many strategies which are closed for new subscription. So we are going to open up few slots on all those strategies, MI25, MI All Cap, MI ATH and MI ATH2 during this long weekend that is coming. So we'll open up strategies from 17th March, Thursday, 4 p.m. onwards until they will last. And you can find details about the strategies on the Weekend Investing Hub. So in advance, wishing you a very happy Holi. And in case you wish to add any strategy to your portfolio that has not been available, this is a good time to do that. Markets were surprisingly strong today, with Nifty closing at plus 1.5%. Bank Nifty was in fact leading at plus 2.2%. Both private and PSU banks were heading up. IT stocks were on fire, plus 1.9%. Auto stocks were doing well, though soft parts of the market were metals and real estate, and sugar stocks were also on the run. So overall, in the last few days, all the losses of the previous week have been covered largely, and things are looking quite good as of now. In terms of the broader indices, CNX 200 was also up 1.05%, CNX 500 up 1%. Small cap and mid cap did not participate as much. They were up between 0.2 to 0.4%, and Nifty Next 50 surprisingly was down minus 0.37%. Within the weekend investing small cases, many of the strategies were up between 1 and 2.5%, and some were flat, while EverGreen and All Cap were slightly in the red. Overall, a reasonably good day. In terms of top gainers within the CNX 500 universe, Credit Access Grameen up 14%, Ingersoll Rand up 14%. BSE Limited has been a huge runner from 1900 odd to about 3000 within a matter of 5 or 6 sessions. Up another 12% today. Hudson Agro and Happiest Minds up 10% each. Jubilant Food down dramatically, minus 12%. AU Small Finance, Sobha, Dhani, and HPCL down between 5 and 6%. So these were the laggards of the day. So the outperformance on the downside is essentially, something that usually people don't track or don't pay too much attention to. But I think this is a very, very important factor in any strategy. And as I've demonstrated on Twitter also today, from October highs when the Nifty made a high to recent lows of about 14% down, you can see that the strategies that had hedged portfolio, so NG 50/50, which has a 50% hedge to gold, MI EverGreen, which has a 25% hedge to gold, both did not fall in this entire period. Net to net, they have been at 0%, whereas the index, after hitting minus 14%, is now at minus 8.7%. But there is no damage in these stocks, in these portfolios. So if you are able to outperform when the market is going down, and when the market goes up, you are either in line with the index or better than that. You have a double sort of tailwind to your performance. While NG 50/50, of course, is a strategy suited for low risk, low return, somewhere near Nifty returns. But MI EverGreen has done really well, plus 36% for the financial year so far. And on the downside, you can see the impact of the hedge on this. So these are some insights that you definitely need to look for. And you can also look at this video, episode 176. Details are there in the description below for more details on this very important aspect of any strategy. Another sort of insight towards the markets today was that this Hang Seng index has been dramatically dropping. In the last week or so, it has dropped almost 20%, and it has reached now levels which were seen earlier in 2006. So this is really, really dramatic fall. and this will have repercussions on the rest of the markets for sure. China is locking down several cities on resurgence of some COVID. Uh, um, uh, uh, Shenzhen and some other cities have been on COVID watch and lockdown. So this may hit some supply chain issues in the next few weeks. And also there is a Fed meeting in the next 2 days to decide on the interest rate hike. So there's a lot of headwinds that are there, but the market took care of all that today at least. Let's see how the rest of the week pans out. This is all I had for this short daily bite, and hope you keep watching these and subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much. Bye.